Section 13-6, Part 3, Finding radii of spheres given the volume. An agate geode is a spherical and has a volume of about 904 centimeters cubed. Geodes are often found in gem shops, sliced in half like the one shown. What is the radius of the geode to the nearest centimeter using 3.14 for pi? So we have been given the volume. All right, so this is like a sphere. So the volume of a sphere formula is 4/3 pi r cubed. We know the volume from our problem was 904. So I'll replace volume with 904 equals to 4/3 times pi is 3.14, and we will determine r. Okay, so r cubed. We are searching for the radius. What is the radius? So, the first thing that I'll need to do is multiply the numbers on the right side where the r is. So I have 3.14 over 1. So let's multiply straight across. It's like we're saying, multiplying fractions, it's like we're multiplying 4/3 times 3.14 over 1. So let's just multiply straight across. Okay, taking our calculators, we will say 4 times 3.14. So 4 times 3.14 gives you 12.56. Now 3 times 1 is 3, so then you just take your calculator and divide by 3, okay? So I end up with 4.18666, and you could round if you wanted to, 4.187, and that's r cubed, because this decimal goes on and on and on, 6666. 904. Now let's divide both sides by the 4.18666, dividing both sides by 4.18666, okay? So these cancel, and I end up with r cubed equals 2. So 904 divided by 4.18666, I end up with 215.92391, something like that. Now, if you rounded, you didn't end up with all these decimal places, but I'm just keeping several decimal places to make it the most precise answer that I can get. So to go from something cubed to something not, we will need to take the cube root of both sides. So let's take the cube root of both sides, okay? So you will need to find the button that looks like this, the cube root. So now we're going to take the cube root of the 215.92391. So let's hit cube root. So when I hit cube root, I get 5.9999, and numbers go on, but we'll round that to 6. So I have my radius is equal to 6. So you can put 6 is an approximation because we did round pi to 3.14. So your radius of this problem is about 6.